Style Fiji is a fashion charity event. This event is basically to raise funds for the much needed medical equipment for the communities around Fiji. And this is our 9th year running. We have Style Fiji is basically a fashion show, entertainment, auction, dinner. Everyone comes in to enjoy the night and at the same time to raise funds for charity. Style Fiji this year, this is, like I said, this is the 9th year running, and our theme this year is going to be a night in Venice. And it's an exciting theme. The whole place is going to be based on that theme, and we have designers and models who are all looking forward to putting their great collection together. And it's a great surprise for the guests who are coming to watch the show. We have Samson Lee, Zubair, Naina. We have Fuzz as a stylist, PIA, Upfield Herder, and 8 Mountains. All ticket information can be directed to our Style Fiji Facebook page. The tickets are $165, and included in that $165 is a 1-hour cocktail, free drinks, and then they have a buffet dinner. We have a fashion show, entertainment, we have live band, we have auction, and the after party. We're still in the planning stages, but that's going to also be a surprise for our guests. So purchase a ticket. We have international entertainment also coming in. This year's proceed will go towards the Loma Foundation. This will help provide sustainable medical, dental, and infrastructure support to rural communities in the South Pacific, otherwise who have no access to basic health care. Why not? Style Fiji is an event that people look forward to. It's a charity event that, at the same time, you're giving back to the community. And it's a great night of entertainment, night to be out with friends, and it's all for a good cause. Well, on the night, Zelda and I are working the whole night between the backstage and having guests arriving, and even during the show, to make sure that the show is all on time and it's all with the program, going according to the program. All the designers put out a great collection, and I think they all come out as beautiful collection at the end of the night. Hi, I'm Marlene Blake, and I'm one of the organizers for Style Fiji.